Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Prevost Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and power. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious and elegantly designed living area that blends modern aesthetics with functional luxury. The materials used throughout are of the highest quality, from premium leather seating to handcrafted cabinetry. The living room area includes a large flat-screen TV, a theater-grade sound system, and expansive panoramic windows for breathtaking views on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-tier appliances, including an integrated coffee machine, a full-size residential refrigerator, and a temperature-controlled wine storage unit. The bedroom, with a king-size bed, offers unmatched comfort, and the ensuite bathroom features upscale fixtures, ensuring that you have all the comforts of home even when you're on the move. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is a true work of art. With its sleek, bus-style, aerodynamic design, it cuts through the wind effortlessly, improving both fuel efficiency and handling. The exterior is finished with a high-end, multi-layer protective paint, which not only looks stunning, but also ensures long-lasting durability. The large power-operated awning creates a perfect outdoor space for relaxation, while the polished alloyed wheels and signature Prevost badging add a touch of exclusivity. The motorhome is built on Prevost's legendary unibody chassis, making it incredibly stable and durable without sacrificing smooth handling. The attention to detail on the exterior is exceptional, ensuring that this motorhome stands out wherever you go. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is powered by a cutting-edge engine that combines power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating challenging terrains, this motorhome delivers an exceptional driving experience. The 13.0-liter Volvo D13 diesel engine, paired with an advanced air ride suspension system, ensures a smooth ride even on rough roads. The motorhome is equipped with a seamless shifting automatic transmission that provides the ideal balance between strength and comfort. Additionally, the Prevost Motorhome features advanced drive assist technology, making it easier to maneuver in tight spaces and busy environments. It's truly a vehicle that delivers the best of both worlds, luxury and performance. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Prevost Motorhome is undoubtedly a premium product, and its price reflects that. With a starting price of around $1.6 million, it's not an option for the budget-conscious, but for those seeking the pinnacle of luxury and performance, it offers exceptional value. The price includes all the bespoke features, the world-class engineering, and the unmatched craftsmanship that comes with the Prevost name. When you invest in this motorhome, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in a lifestyle. To sum up, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome is an extraordinary blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. It offers a level of comfort and sophistication that is unmatched in the world of motorhomes. Whether you're planning a long road trip or simply want the ultimate luxury experience on wheels, the Prevost Motorhome delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.